Willpower is the key to success. Successful people strive no matter what they feel by applying their will to overcome apathy, doubt, or fear. Dan Millman. My friends, as we look at the markets, it looks like they might be correcting back, at least on stocks, to the path in which they were going. We see things slowing down here on the S&P 500, just about flat for the day. A few minutes left till the market closes, about 10. But we see we're on the 2-day, it's moved up to the weekly trend line. The half-day, we can see where it's slowed down and appears to be bouncing off. We'll continue to monitor. We still have Thursday and Friday to go through. We're not half at the volume yet, so we'll see how these last 2 days. I'm looking at the weekly chart right now, and you can also see on the 2-day chart, this represents Wednesday, and of course, we still have Thursday to go. We're not up to half the volume, although the volume on the last candle was below the average, so we'll keep an eye on things. And we see on the half day, we're below average, have been since the last time we hit the average volume was when things started cranking up on Monday afternoon. And the volume has been decreasing and the up move has been slowing as the candles have been reducing in size. So we'll see. Like I said, the S&P's about flat right now. The Q's is up a little bit, but we can see where it has a ways to go before it even gets up and touches on the half-day chart the weekly trend line. 2-day well below, and it looks like the candle stick itself has gotten up to about where things started down on the prior one, below half the volume as we end the day. About half the volume, maybe a little above on the weekly, and again, volume well below the average as we look at the half-day chart. So again, looks like things might start moving back in that down direction. Again, we'll wait, we'll watch, we'll see. We're still short. What do we see going on with 20-year bonds? Well, after meandering along on the half-day chart for many, many days, we see where things drop down in the morning, a little further down in the afternoon. Right now, about 0.80%. Again, another down candle is forming on the weekly. We're about half the average volume, so we'll see where that takes us. But again, we still have that wave pushing things down, so we're still short, of course, in TBF. Now, what do we see with gold? Now, gold down for the day, 0.22. We have a doji for the week. We're already over half the volume. We can see not a lot of volume on the first day of this latest 2-day candle. All that volume came on the Monday, Tuesday, most all of it. And of course, we pushed over heading down strong in the morning on Monday, then in the afternoon, down in the morning on Tuesday, and it's slowly Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday morning and afternoon just slowly ticking down. Gold down right now, again, 0.22%. Let's move on from gold. And what do we see going on with HODL, which is, of course, the VanEck Bitcoin ETF? It is down 3.43%, 24-hour-a-day Bitcoin down 3.17%. This is what we want. We want Bitcoin to keep moving over, moving down, getting a nice reset before it takes off again at some point in the future. I don't really know. I don't really care how long that is. I just want it to reset nicely so that when it does get ready to tick up again, we have a clean crossing where we can follow it both with volume and our Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. That's where we are as we end the day on Wednesday. Go get through hump day, go into Thursday and Friday. Patreon members, you have your Charting Cryptos, Commodities, and Currencies. That was uploaded last night for you. Be released to everyone else on Friday. And of course, the 3-wave trades for our Patreon members only. Of course, if you become a Patreon member at any of the 3 levels, first thing you get, Options Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way. You want to trade options, you want to know what they're about, you can start practicing immediately. Our 3-part series will help you get that knowledge so you can start the process of understanding options and practice trading them. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.